Week one of the high school and college football season is in the books, and it seems like every year players get bigger and stronger and faster.
And every year equipment has to evolve to keep up and keep players safe. Fox 17's Tim Doty has more with Spectrum Health Medical Group in today's Medical Moment.
Nowadays, there's different types of foam, there's different technologies. It really depends on which company.
Football helmets have changed. As Phillip Adler of Spectrum Health Medical Group tells us, the new ones are technologically advanced, but they still have to fit properly.
We should really be looking at doing it with wet or cut hair so that the kids are going to sweat, and the helmet size is going to change. So if you get a kid with a lot of hair and then they get into the middle of a game and they're sweating and their hair's matted down, the helmet's going to move a little bit.
Of course, function is most important, but when dealing with young people, fashion is as well, and that's an issue with face masks.
The more contact someone's going to take, oftentimes the more protection you'll see in the face guard. And so although a lot of the kids think it's cool to have a certain face mask, we have to think about protection versus how cool something looks most of the time.
Hockey players are known for using really old shoulder pads. They want to save weight and they want freedom of movement, and that thinking sometimes plays out on the gridiron as well.
A lot of times kids want shoulder pads which are too small, so it's not appropriately covering all the parts. That you really should cover the deltoid of the shoulder and should cover all the way down on the breastbone.
Mouth guards, an absolute must. Though Adler isn't going to say they'll prevent a concussion, they will protect in enough other areas to be invaluable if you wear them.
So whether it's one of the old dip and suck, which is sufficient, or you go the full length and get a custom fit from your dentist, whatever the kids are going to wear and is going to be best for them is going to be an individual choice. It's great to throw them up in the football helmet and keep them there, but if they stay there during the play, you're not doing yourselves any justice.
So good equipment helps, but it can only go so far. As Adler says, it doesn't matter what you're wearing if you're not playing the right way.
I'll tell you, the first thing that's going to protect a kid is fundamentals and technique. If you're not using fundamentals and technique, you're not keeping your head up, you're not seeing someone's chest, you're not putting yourself in the right alignment, it doesn't matter what equipment you have.
Head down, Mike. Now keep that head up, bud. Keep the head up.
Tim Doty, Fox 17 News.
And it didn't really feel like football weather this weekend.